Good morning, ma'am. May I know which editorials are worth going through in today's newspaper?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very nice article in the Hindu's editorial section today. So come, let's have a look. The article is India tested from US sanctions to one-sided trade deal. Now, first let us understand what is the background and what exactly is happening. Recently, India and the US have been talking about a new trade agreement, and which is a deal about buying and selling goods. But at the same time, the US announced 25% tariffs, which is extra tariff on Indian goods. The US is pressuring India to stop buying oil from Russia, reduce trade with Iran, buy more American goods like oil, defense equipment, etc. The US has also imposed sanctions, economic punishment on Russia because of the Ukraine war. Now, India has traditionally followed a neutral foreign policy and buys oil from different countries to get cheaper prices. But the article says India is being tested whether it will protect its own interest or give in to the US pressure. Now, what exactly is the core issue? Let us understand that. The question is, should India change its trade and foreign policy decisions just because the US is pressuring it? If India agrees too easily, it may hurt its strategic autonomy as well, and it may damage its image as an independent power. But if India refuses, it may face economic pressure on higher tariffs. So, let us understand the multiple dimensions of this article. The first dimension is the economic dimension. Tariffs increase cost of Indian exports. If India stops buying cheap Russian oil, fuel prices may rise. Trade deals may be balanced, not one-sided. Then, second is the strategic and foreign policy dimension. Now, India follows multi-alignment friends with many countries. India doesn't want to be seen as a part of one bloc, that is, US versus Russia. These are like two blocs. So India doesn't want to be seen as a part of US supporter. And autonomy is central to India's foreign policy since Nehru's time. Now the third dimension is energy security dimension. Now, India imports most of its oil. Buying discounted Russian oil helps it reduce import bills, and energy decisions are linked to national interest as well. Then there's a geopolitical dimension to this. US-China rivalry is growing, and India is important in Indo-Pacific strategy. US wants India closer, but India wants balanced relations. Then there is a global South leadership dimension. Now, many developing countries look at India as an independent voice. If India bends under pressure, its credibility may weaken. What is the editorial's argument? Let us understand that. The article suggests India should not accept unilateral pressure. Trade agreements should be fair and mutually beneficial. India must protect strategic autonomy, energy security, and global credibility as well. So that's what it is written here. Now, let us understand the UPSC relevance of the topic. This topic is highly relevant for GS Paper 2, India-US Relations, Foreign Policy and Strategic Autonomy, GS Paper 3, Energy Security, Trade Policy, and for Essay Paper also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.